here at Samsung Experience Store at Westgate Mall, ready to do the unboxing of the newly unveiled Samsung Galaxy A04. So follow me, let's go and open it up and see the awesome features that come with this phone that makes it your best upgrade from the previous Samsung Galaxy A03. So let's proceed and see the awesomeness of the A04. So if we look at some of the changes that have come with the Samsung Galaxy A04 is on the cameras. So it still retains the 5 megapixels selfie camera, but the main camera has been advanced from 48, which was on the A03, up to 50 megapixels camera. So this one will enable you to take photos or videos of higher quality, and it comes with a portrait mode which enables you to focus on your subject with a naturally blurred background. Another thing about charging is the improved charging speed. So the A04s comes with an adaptive charge of up to 15 watts, unlike the A03, which used to come with 7.75 watts of charge. Galaxy A04 will give you awesome performance due to its faster processor, octa-core Mediatek P35, which runs on 2.3 gigahertz. It also comes in 4 and 64 GB or 4128, which you can expand up to 1 terabyte. Another good feature about this phone is the RAM expansion. So if by any chance you feel your phone is slow in performance, you can go to settings, then increase your RAM from either 2 to 4, or if you want to lower from 4 to 2, it's upon you. So if you want a faster performance, you increase up to 4. If you think like you need more space, then you increase from 4 to 2. Galaxy A04 comes with the Dolby Atmos feature, which gives you a powerful and more immersive sound. That is when you are using the Galaxy Buds or you are using the earphones. So to activate the Dolby Atmos feature, you need to use either buds or use the earphones. You